What's up, guys? So we are here. I'm actually down here in Easton, down at Port Street. There's actually just a pier out here, but I wanted to talk about the Autoflex high gloss that I have on my car. So I've had it for about 15 months now, and what Autoflex is basically it's a liquid wrap. So it's a wrap that's sprayed on a car, but it has to be sprayed, in a paint booth with a HVLP gun. And it basically, what really attracted me about this route is because of the price. I was getting paint quotes for this car, and it was around $5,000 and up for like regular body shops. So I was like, you know what, the most best route I was looking at was wraps. But wraps, the one thing I didn't like that I saw that was common was that there weren't any like high gloss finishes that looked really good. Everything looked, you could tell I didn't like that matte look, and I wanted something gloss. And I knew that my brother got his Mercedes wrapped, and if it got any type of chemical or any type of like gas or bird poop, like you had to get it off right away, and you have to use a special car wash for it and stuff like that. Like, I didn't want to do that. So this route, when I looked at Autoflex, I first saw it on dipyourcar.com with Fonzie. He applied it, and it really got my attention because it looked like paint, and you apply it like paint, and the finish looked like paint, and you can also wet sand it and buff it like paint. And I washed this car normally just with regular, I use Chemical Guys products with this, and I washed it just like a regular car. You could buff it, you could wax it, and it's awesome. And the best part is I could peel it off later and repaint it, wrap it a different color, which is awesome. So right now, just my thoughts on it is it's been really good. Autoflex is a very sturdy product. It's a very, I don't know, it's been very durable. Like I don't have very many chips on it, and I mean I don't drive it a lot either, but it doesn't chip very easily, which is one thing I like, because the clear coat is it's flexible in a way. It's more scratch resistant than it is with paint, because I don't know, I can't explain it, but I do recommend, though, if you think about really getting your car wrapped, though, I highly recommend you get all the dents removed before you do, because those dents and imperfections will show, through the wrap. Yeah, and that's it. And like I said, most recently it's been windy. And I actually had my neighbor, the goalie post thing that they have is it's plastic but net, but it like flew off, and like it was on my car, and I had black scuff marks across the whole top of the roof, the side of the car, and I got really worried because I was like, oh crap, how am I going to remove this and repair this? And but I looked up online and said you could use toothpaste, so I went ahead and tried a little area with toothpaste, and before you know it, like it was coming out, and I was really happy because it was really bad. I wish I had a before and after picture, but I don't. But yeah, this stuff is solid. Like I was able to remove the scratches and scuff marks with no issue, and I just reapplied wax on it. The only thing that I haven't tried on this is ceramic coating. So I do have the hydrosilics spray. I'm gonna try a little area and see how it holds up, because I know they say they don't recommend sealants on Autoflex. So I'm gonna test it on my trunk and see if it holds up or not. If it does, that's awesome. If it doesn't, then I'll just get my trunk rewrapped. And once again, the wrap, another thing about wrap that's cool is that you can actually order OEM color tints and get it like an OEM color. So this is the BMW Alpine White color tint. If I would have known this ahead, I wanted to go with Grand Prix White, but it's all good because I'm still very happy with the way it turned out, and I'm just glad it was a white, and it's a classy white. I really love it. So, and as you guys know, I love white cars in general. And the next thing I'm doing right now, I'm actually saving up to get my Forester painted, and I got a quote at Mako, so I'm gonna be taking that to Mako and trying that out and see how that goes. I'm gonna compare the two colors, but the Forester will be getting painted probably Grand Prix White from a Honda S2000. I was thinking about doing Aspen White from Subaru, so I don't know. We'll see. I mean, it's just a white's white, but yeah. So anyways, this is just my quick review of the Autoflex High Gloss and how it's been holding up and my thoughts on it. Like I said, I always keep it under a car cover and it just kind of sits. I drive it like once a week or anything nice. I try not to drive it when it's raining. And that's it. I mean, it'll be paid off in like another year. So I still got a year to pay this off, and it's modded because I'm an idiot. But yeah, that's it. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Anyone thinking about getting Autoflex and how to maintain it. So next clip here is just gonna show me pressure washing the car, how I maintain it, and the wheels and everything like that. Yeah, and that's it. All right, so this is pretty much what I have used on the Autoflex. I've used the cream glaze butter wet wax, definitely holds up good. I haven't tried the ceramic coating yet. I'm gonna try that. Quick detailer works for maintaining like bird poop and just regular touch-ups here and there. This G6 Hyper Coat is really awesome. I use it on interior trim and the wheels and tires, or not the wheels and tires, but just the tires. They work great. Obviously leather, that's interior stuff. These work great for the Borla muffler tips. And then this right here, this actually works really good on the wheels. The wheels I have are these XXRs, but they're actually in this platinum finish. So it's not like a chrome exactly, it's like more like a powder coat. And there are areas where it's kind of chipping, but that Meguiar's Hot Rims works best on it. Really, you know, gets really deep and cleans it really well. So that's it. So let's give the car a little bath and get her nice and clean for you guys. So obviously I've been using the pressure washer. I have the Zhyun. This thing's been working awesome. Got the extension on it, of course, so I can, you know, reach around without moving the base station that much. And after we do that, we got the foam can in here. Got citrus car wash in there. There you go. And then I'm gonna finish it off with the this power sweep blower right there. And then touch it up, finish up with the absorber wipe down. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go through with the absorber and dry the car off, and she's good to go. It's pretty much how I maintain the main Autoflex, just by doing that, really. On the air dry, just kind of get most of the loose water off, and then I go back with this absorber and get the loose water drops off. So, alrighty then. I hope you guys like this and found this helpful. And we'll see you on the next video. Take care, guys. Keep it Fuji.